Do you know what business really is? Business is a potato. This is my small plot for potatoes, and now it's overgrown by Japanese nutweed because I did not maintain it. During the summer I did weed it many times, but I had to focus on other things, so now it's overtaken by the weeds. I don't have time to cultivate it, and it doesn't maintain itself. Here's the analogy. You sow the seeds, and the field gives you 100 big organic potatoes. You sell the potatoes on the farmer's market for 100 coins. But weeds are growing and reducing the harvest if the plot is left untended. Your system falls into disrepair if you don't maintain it. It will only produce 50 medium potatoes that will sell for less. Let's say picking these weeds takes you 4 hours per day. Will you do it? Will you exchange your limited time to work on your plot? Or will you hire someone to do it for you for 50 coins and then profit the other 50 when you sell it on the market? This way you have an automated system that frees up your time and produces 50 coins for you per year. And here comes the plot twist. You can now invest that 50 potatoes by hiring another potato farmer and till another plot to produce you 100 potatoes. In 10 seasons, you can have 10 potato plots and profit 500 coins when you sell the harvest on the market. Here is an easy formula. 100 potatoes, 100% of your effective work hours, 100 coins. 100 potatoes, 0% of your work hours, 50 coins profit. 1000 potatoes, 0 hours to maintain it because you hire a sales manager for 100 coins per year, and you profit 400 coins per year by having 10 automated systems working for you. Which one do you choose? 100 coins that takes up your time, or 400 coins while you can watch birds? Think ahead, not for the moment. Jay Abraham said this: don't work hard for your business, make your business work hard for you. And here's a potato.